Hi guys, I wanted to come on and show you the Trinny BFF Eye Concealer. So this has got like a eye serum and concealer in one. I called yesterday with the Trinny team and she explained how well it works and how to put it on and stuff. So basically you shouldn't really need like an eye cream as well because you've got this, and it's really super lightweight. It's got SPF in it as well. It's the packaging, and basically she did tell me the name of this metal. I've got all my makeup done, I just haven't got like any under eye concealer or anything on because I obviously wanted to show you. But basically it's got this special metal, can't remember what it's called, but this type of metal basically never ever warms up, it always stays cold. So it's really soothing when you apply it on the eyes. I used this yesterday, so you basically just apply it like that. This is the shade SALVA I've got. So I've only squeezed it once, but I'm just spreading it. And it actually, like, I normally don't like cold things anywhere on my face or my body, but this feels really nice. So it comes out like that. And I'm just going to use my finger just to blend it in. Can you see already? That is just brightening under my eyes. But the consistency is like so lightweight, it doesn't feel like makeup, it basically just feels like skincare. And that is the whole point of this, is that it's not supposed to feel my makeup, but Trinny loves doing like hybrid skincare makeup products, so your makeup just feels like skincare and you've got all the skincare benefits as well. You see, it's just so much easier just to do it with my fingers. And again, like, I'm only applying it where I've got the darkness. Hopefully you can see the difference that makes. So if I just go in and do the other eye, and because this is like a skincare hybrid, it's not gonna like crease under your eyes like a heavy concealer or just like a normal concealer would do, really. So you don't necessarily have to set it with powder. You only need to put powder where you feel like it gets shiny. I haven't put any mascara on yet, just so you could get right under the eyes without getting any of this BFF serum on my eyelashes at the bottom. Just instantly brightened under the eyes. Can you see it? And also I just used like one shade. I have got bags today because I didn't sleep very well last night, but in terms of like covering darkness, I really like it. I really like the consistency. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that.